Lovely subscribers and viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel, My Sunset Africa, a channel that brings you the beauty of Africa. And today's video is about birding or bird watching. In the video, I'm going to share with you what bird watching or birding is all about, why it is important, where we can do bird watching, and how we can do bird watching. And I'll show you the different types of birds that you can watch in Africa. Here is my recent birding experience on my simple birding safari. Don't go! Some beautiful birds have just come. A pair of birds. Wow. Fly. Fly. Yes? Another one has come. It's landing. Another bird has come. There are now 3. Wow. Come here. Come close. Come close. Wow. Wow. The crested crane. Parrot.
You see, it's looking at you. It's different from the ones that sell it.
Yes, 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 it's about. Do it, please, do it. Do it now. 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 Who are disappointed? The male peacock refused to raise its tail, its feathers for us, and our guide is telling us we've come at the wrong time. We needed to come like in 2 hours' time. Oh, we've not seen the beautiful colors. We are disappointed. Birding or bird watching simply is the observation of live birds in their natural habitat. Why is birding or bird watching important? It's important in that it improves our mental health. It reduces stress and tension. You know, we are living in a stressful world. When you leave your home environment or your busy schedules and go on a birding safari, you improve your concentration, improve your moods. You'll come back when you're a different person. It also improves our physical health because it involves walking in wetlands, in fields, in forests, in search of the birds. So you do physical exercise with all the associated health benefits. It helps us connect with people. You make friends. You have seen me in the video there. I'm with people from China, with people from different parts of the world. They're all doing bird watching. So you connect with people. You make friends. Should I say bird watching is entertaining? When you look at the different colors of birds, the different movements of birds, when you look at their feathers, it's so entertaining and you are most likely to have a peaceful sleep. Birding improves our cognitive skills by developing observational skills and our understanding of biodiversity and ecosystems. It helps us learn about nature and wildlife and gather data on bird population. Birds play a great ecological role. Birds eat mosquitoes and other biting insects. Birds such as hawks and owls help to eliminate mouse and rat population. We all know that the hummingbird helps in the pollination of plants. In our biology, we were told that birds help in seed dispersal. There are some beautiful plants that we have which are not native, but they were brought by migratory birds. Some examples of birds: we have the peacock, the African skimmer, the African wood owl, the African olive pigeon, the grey heron, the guinea fowls, the great white pelican, the white-necked rock fowl, the African fish eagle, the African sacred ibis, the family of the bills, the hornbill, the shoebill stork, the ostrich, the flamingos, different storks, the marabou stork, the starling, the different types of goose, the wood and oxpecker, crested crane, Uganda's national bird, the Kori bustard, passerine, the lilac-breasted roller, and others. There are millions of species of birds. How to do birding? Select your best birding safari. Find out the best places for bird watching, as I'm going to list them here. Get yourself a good tour guide that will help you identify the different species of birds, but also who knows the spots where to get the birds and the right time to see the birds. And the right time to see birds is in the morning when birds are feeding, when birds are sunbathing, or in the evening when birds are migrating. Here is a sample of the different places in Africa where you can do your birding. You can find birds in national parks. The Kidepo Valley National Park in Uganda, the Murchison Falls National Park, renowned for its shoebill stork, Okavango Delta in Botswana, Etosha National Park in Namibia, Kruger National Park in South Africa, known for its lilac-breasted roller, the ground hornbill, and other bills. I'm talking about species of birds that are found in different national parks. We can also find birds in wetlands. Like if you want to see a crested crane, you need to go to a wetland, to a swamp. For example, the Mabamba Swamp in Uganda on Lake Victoria. We have a whole lake in Uganda named after birds, literally, Lake Bunyonyi, where you can find a variety of birds. We can also find birds in wildlife or game reserves. For example, in the Masai Mara Wildlife Reserve in Kenya. There you'll find a range of bird species. Do you want to see flamingos? Then go to Lake Nakuru National Park in Kenya. Come to Uganda to Windy Impenetrable National Park. There you're going to find the shoebill and other types of birds. You're going to find many migratory birds in Kenya. And countries that have got rainforests are good spots for bird watching. For example, in Ghana, Gambia, in Uganda, in the Kibale Forest, there you're going to find the green broadbills. The Ngorongoro Crater in Tanzania will entertain you with the Jackson's widowed bird and the rose-breasted longclaw. Come to the savanna grasslands in Africa, you'll find the ostrich, you'll find this guinea fowl, and other birds. Something to note, you need binoculars to see distant birds. Hope you've liked this video, my Sunset Africa channel, to bring you more exciting videos on the beauty of Africa. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like our videos. Thank you.